let's give a warm welcome to our own Houston's PSSM Master Deepti Penala to speak about divine feminine energies. Deepti ji is an IT professional at Hearst Media and a renowned writer and editor of VFA Telugu Diaspora anthologies. She has also been a part of hosting many international Telugu literary conferences. As Niji believes that engaging in satsang, meditation, and swadhyaya through PSSM has led her to discover the wealth of wisdom and primordial joy. Today, as a passionate reader and insightful speaker, she will share her thoughts on how to find balance and harmony in these powerful energies. Deepti ji, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Hasni. Happy Women's Day to everyone. As Srikanji mentioned, we all have both feminine and masculine energies, and I'm going to explain more about those energies today. And let's start with humble pranams to Ascended Master Ganesha, Patriji, and Mahotar Babaji. Let's dive into fascinating world of divine feminine energies. So, slide. So before that, first let's understand what are these feminine energies and masculine energies. Look into them. Nurturing, intuition, creativity, empathy, receptivity. If you look at them, all the unifying energies are all feminine energies. They are more of the longing for love and sensual traits. So when you see masculine, they are logic, strength, action, leadership, assertiveness, and the singular autonomous energies. So let's see. You imagine a soccer team full of masculine strengths, like the strength and action, but lacking basic feminine energy, the collaboration among their team. Can they succeed? No, right? So imagine a musician like Mr. Grutter or any painter with lots of abundant of feminine energies like creativity, but lacking the logic into their work or action. Can they provide the best of their work? Can mesmerize us? No, right? So here we are all acknowledging that we both genders have both feminine and masculine energies, right? So, is anything bothering you with these slides, like the color code or anything? Like feminine energies are full of blue and feminine energies are full of pink? No, right? Now you got it. So, that is not the problem. But unfortunately, society at sometime 6,400 years ago, next slide please, 500 years ago, the patriarchy started to rise. Before that, we all heard about Satyayuga, how righteous and harmonious era it was, and how people lived in their best form. Like, all the people had abundant of energies. If you go to rural India, every village has a deity, goddess, a protector deity. So Grama Devatas, that is the concept. And because those days women had those warrior energies. And then as patriarchy took the rise, males started to think that they are supposed to exhibit only masculine energies and female need to be surrendered to feminine energies, more of nurturing side, men to more of leadership side. So when this happened, some days it went well, but later, actually, naturally, women had these barrier energies and they were shut off and they were limited to household. And whereas men started to go out and lead the world society, then the patriarch took hold, and what happened was the energy started to wound. They started to fill themselves with the lots of toxic energies. Like, for example, men, they were losing the empathy towards women and so much of disrespect because they were thinking themselves strong and women are weak. At that time, they started to lose those beautiful feminine energies among themselves, collaboration, all the in creativity, empathy, and they lost those balance. Okay, then they also became wounded and they became greedy, little bit toxic and aggressive. All these toxic energies you could see. Then on the other side, women became so, suppressed and they were under, they were unable to exhibit their natural energies. They had to shut off their fire energies. Then what happened? Those bottled up stress and everything made them more nagging. Next slide, please. More nagging and more like, manipulative, and all the time they were feeling the lawless, joyless. Yeah, next slide. So you could see these wounded energies now. Women with wounded feminine energies, men with wounded masculine energy. Then came feminism. Did it resolve completely? Partly yes, because it acknowledged that women have natural tendency to lead, and they could really lead well, and they have to be equal to men. They are equal to men and they are not any weaker gender. So they started to address and resolve towards it, and they wanted to come out and they started to lead, and they got the right to vote, they got into education, they everything was settling up. But did it really resolve everything? Because no, because we remember men are already filled with those toxic and masculine energies, and they need the healing first. Without them healing, if we go and be equal to men, we are just making another set of male version, wounded male version. So again, the balance wouldn't be achieved. So what do we do now? Like, how would we achieve that balance? Um, Yes, we can achieve the balance through meditation. Next slide, please. Yep. Next slide. Meditate, reflect, connect with the divine feminine energies. Okay, connecting with divine feminine energies. I have read a beautiful book, Thousand Seeds of Joy, which is by Anand Karunation. It has explained very well how to connect those energies, and I try to explain you the way I understood. So yeah, the transformation, he has connected to goddess Lakshmi Devi, and he has said that, like, desire, transformed his desire into abundance, passion into joy. Desire into abundance, let's see how incorporate in the life. Imagine we are working as a lead on a project, we are leading a project or program or an organization. So we we have to first, we are passionately desiring for a promotion or some certain growth. We have certain goal. That is our desire. Okay, then we are passionately working towards that goal. Are we really always, we are not enjoying the journey anymore. We are always looking forward to the destination. After you reach that, again you'll have another destination. Where would you enjoy your life at all? Like, we are getting lost in this process. And also, when we are chasing so passionately, these aggressive energies, passion and the desire, these kind of aggressive energies make you feel the need to reach the goal, and you want to reach by hook or crook. So these kind of intense, little bit of toxic energies trigger furthermore energies, like as Srikanth said before, like it causes lots of frustration, stress among everything. Like, for some of the toxic energies are causing some more toxic energies, wounded energies. So altogether, although we reach the goal, we are not enjoying our journey all the time, we are getting lost. So how do we just, get back to that? uh, Previous slide. So what happens is, you just acknowledge the present first. Enjoy yourself. You just acknowledge that you have skills, enough skills, and you're striving better. Then just go towards transform your passion to joy. Then detach yourself from the outcome. Don't expect anything, and just joyfully do your duties. You'll have pure bliss. When you don't expect anything, obviously, you'll collaborate more. If there is any problem, if you don't have any joy, automatically you'll feel stressed because you are always focusing on your destination. If you are removing the destination and you removing that goal from your mind, and you realize that you can't control the outcome, automatically you'll start enjoying whatever you are doing, and you do very joyfully. Automatically you'll gain, everything aligns beautifully because you are collaborate openly, you'll accommodate everyone. Receptivity and collaboration, those feminine energies are getting into your leadership skills. So how beautifully we are aligning, balancing all those energies now. So automatically we are getting to heal when we are tapping into these divine feminine energies. Then you may ask me, okay, Deepti, so yeah, we are getting healed, fine, but what about the society? What about the surrounding people? They are full of toxic and wounded energies already. The moment I step back, they're going to sabotage me. Okay, so that's when Goddess Saraswati ji's message helps us. So we transform all emotions to love, divine feminine energy. When we do that, automatically all these insecurities, fears, all these kind of negative energies will transform to love energy. When you meditate and just remove this outcome from your mind, automatically you will feel that love towards them. Just understand them, whoever is difficult people, understand them with the empathy. Then automatically you will, okay, it is not, meditation would not heal anything miraculously. It changes you, it gives you time to reflect on your personality, it changes your outlook of how you are looking at things. Then automatically you will stop reacting to people, rather you would understand in them in a positive way and only respond to them and share those love energies. Then automatically they'll, over the time, they'll become positive. And okay, if they're beyond repair, I tell you what, there is one more concept, beautiful concept, Patriarchy suggested, and that is, that book has all these information about soul path changers. Like, they are here, those difficult people are here to change your soul path, and that is entirely different subject. I'm not going into there because we don't have that much time. Okay, so next, last divine energy is wisdom. So, intellect to wisdom. Understanding whatever I'm saying is your intellect, but practicing in your life and applying where it is really required with discretion is the wisdom. We need the wisdom. So, what happens is, okay, masters, please remember, without wisdom, meditation is really dangerous, because there is a thin line, very fine thin line between detachment and escapism. Whether Arjuna connected to spiritual, higher spiritual form Sri Krishna, or Anand Karnation to Goddess Lakshmi, Saraswati, ascended masters, they all have given only single unique message, that is detached from results. They never said detached from duties. When you detach from duties, automatically you become escapist, and you use, without wisdom, meditation. If you practice meditation, you'll use it as a mind numbing technique, so that you are just trying to ignore your problems and never acknowledge them and never resolve them. That is really dangerous. No one said detach from duties, detach from results, and then do your duties joyfully. That's it, masters. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day. Hope you got it. Let's heal the society together.
So, Deepti ji, I understood two things from your speech. One is that women rule, and two is that you must live in the present and not think about the future too much. We'd now like to felicitate you on your wonderful speech. So we invite Swapna ji, Josna ji, and Nivedita ji to present a small token of our love and gratitude to her. Thank you very much, Deepti ji.
बुद्धं शरणं
गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि धर्मं शरणं